This is an $875,000 luxury penthouse in Asunción, Paraguay, and it's got literally everything you need to live in this low-tax country. And today, I'm joined by real estate agent Clara Sosa to show you Paraguay homes for sale from this, an $875,000 luxury penthouse, a $147,000 house in Paraguay's next big location, a $128,000 urban apartment in Asunción's most upscale area, all the way down to this $64,000 apartment. And it's affordable for everybody.
So this is Tenet, the name of the building. We are right now in Los Laureles neighborhood. It's going to be finished on December 2026. This is the model of how it's going to be. The apartment, 44 meters square, one bedroom. You have also balcony, and all this you can get for $64,000.
An office, a toilet, and a bedroom. Walk into it. So you have a built-in wardrobe. Why doesn't this count as a bedroom? Because there's no closet?
Because it's small. It's like for a studio, you can do your home office here.
This is too small to be considered a bedroom in Paraguay? Yeah, I mean, there's not a lot of light. You need to bring your own light.
Yeah.
Bring the luz.
But it's very cozy, very cute.
This could be a room for your cat. What's in here?
It's the service area.
So you wouldn't have a live-in maid in this size apartment, but this is actually a pretty big serviced area.
Yeah, it is.
And so this is going to be indoors.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, and so you put a washer and dryer.
Here. This is all include. The furnitures, this one also.
So I'm going to buy this for $64,000, and that's the under construction price.
Yeah.
Tell me about Los Laureles, the neighborhood.
It's like a very residential, calm neighborhood. We don't have many buildings here. We have like less more than Las Lomas or Villamorra. This is more chill place.
So who's going to live in Los Laureles?
I think many families, also people who are like studying in some university to stay here, or also people who work here but live far away, so they buy an apartment to stay more close of the office job.
Right, and this could be good for a digital nomad who doesn't have a lot of money.
Yeah.
And they want to come here part of the year. It could be their tax home.
Exactly.
And they have a pied-à-terre.
Yeah. This apartment also, you just have to pay 20% of the full price, and then you have 5 years to pay the rest of it.
Even after moving in, you can still get payments from the developer.
Exactly. Actually, you can just rent the apartment and use that money to pay your own apartment.
So $13,000, give or take, is due now, $12,800, and they'll hand it over.
Yeah.
Is there a problem in Paraguay with developers who don't deliver the properties on time or at all?
It's not so common. I mean, mostly everyone deliver on time because they have planned to make more and more buildings, so they have to do a good impression and deliver the building on time. So.
Because these buildings are in their infancy here, where it used to be just single-family homes in Asunción, and now this idea of building tall.
Yeah.
So I have fewer restaurants to walk to here.
Yes.
I'm spending more time in my car living in this apartment.
You have also places like Casa Rica, which is a very famous like supermarket. Also, they have a coffee shop. It's just 3 blocks from here. You can go just walking.
Well, this is the great starter apartment, but now let's blast off to the $147,000 house in an up-and-coming neighborhood.
We are now located in Luque City, one of the fastest growing city after Asunción. This is Finca 26, a block of brand new homes, and you can customize your own home and access to it by a credit loan or paying the 13% of the full price and then doing monthly payment until 6 months, and then we give you the key of your brand new home here in Finca 26. We have a big living room. The house already includes the air conditioner, and we have an outdoor quincho where you can spend time with your family and friends and make the homemade asado we make every Sunday on this private barbecue grill. All this stuff comes with the price of the home, and you can also customize whatever you want to change or make it better. You can just say it and we will do it for you. We have 2 secondary bedrooms that comes with the closet and the air conditioner also. Big bathrooms with a lot of space for the whole family. You can get 145 meter squares of home here in the best neighborhood in Luque in a good price and with a very good location. Finca 26 is your best option here in Luque because we are only 15 minutes from Asunción in Lomas, one of the best neighborhoods here in Luque, one of the fastest growing cities in Paraguay after Asunción.
Let's see what $147,000 gets you.
So we are now in this beautiful apartment of 2 bedrooms. We have a nice view. We are on the 13th floor.
Wow.
It's a beautiful view.
And so this is Lomas
Yeah,
with
that's
all
Lomas.
the homes.
Yeah.
So many single family homes. I mean, look at, what is that?
It's like a place that you can rent and play paddle.
Is that a club?
Yeah.
You can play tennis?
Yes.
Everyone's playing pickleball now. I still have no idea what that is.
Yeah, you don't know?
I don't play pickleball.
Oh.
Do you?
No.
We don't pickle.
No.
Yeah, you were telling us on the side streets you're limited to about 5 floors. So only on the main avenues can you
Only
have
here.
these beautiful buildings.
Yeah.
What's that bridge?
It's the bridge that connects with the new city, it's called in English. Uh-huh.
So this feels like I'm back in an old apartment, but this is cute. This is like efficient urban living.
Yeah, it is.
You're living on the Upper East Side on Fifth Avenue. You've got your little kitchenette.
Mm-hmm.
It's not an entertainer's kitchen, but you've got those views and you've got
Yeah.
the tennis club. So bedrooms are a little smaller.
Yeah.
This is bedroom number 2.
Number 2.
So you're sharing with the bathroom.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, no balcony here.
No.
But you've got a nice view. Wow. So you've got a cute little apartment in the best part of town. You're a short distance from the mall. You've got some nice features and you're paying under $150,000.
It's actually a very good price. Also, you can just pay 20% of the full price and then going until 5 years of.
You can get a 5-year payment plan.
Yeah.
Because this is new from the developer.
Yeah.
Nobody's lived here before.
Uh-huh, that's correct.
And so they set it up like this.
Yeah.
But I'm not getting the bed.
Not the bed.
No bed. I get this
Yes.
for your unmentionables.
The air conditioner also.
Yeah,
Is
it
it-
turn on. It's hot in here.
Yeah, I
I'm
know.
sweating in here.
And this bedroom has her own balcony with a great view also. It's a small balcony, but very cute with a great view.
This is what you're paying for. I can't say I've never seen a city with so much construction, but this city really has a lot of construction.
Yeah. Whatever you look, you're going to see like a new building on construction. It's growing a lot. We have a lot of new buildings here.
And yet, I mean, over there, that really looks like Beverly Hills with the ivy wall
Yeah.
on the brick. The guy's got palm trees in his yard.
Yeah.
And now we're at the last apartment. This is the $875,000 luxury penthouse in the best neighborhood in Asunción.
We are here in Alcántara, Parque Alcántara. It's one exclusive building of 5 floors. This is one of the apartments already finished, and it has 370 meter squares, 3 bedrooms with all in suites.
So every bedroom has its own bathroom.
Yeah.
You've got almost 4,000 square feet for the Americans. And let's check out this view.
Yes, beautiful.
You see there's a lot of construction here,
A
and the
lot.
trend seems to be big buildings. This
Yes.
is more intimate.
Yeah, it is. It's more exclusive, and we are in one of the best neighborhoods in Paraguay, is Los Lomas. So this is a very good area to live here in Paraguay.
This is like Las Lomas in Mexico City.
Yeah.
It's luxury, it's a lot of single family homes.
Yeah, residential place, like very quiet neighborhood.
And you're just about a 12-minute walk to the best mall, Shopping
Yeah,
del Sol.
the Shopping del Sol, exactly.
So is this indoor, outdoor?
Yeah.
But this is still under roof.
This is the balcony.
Okay.
And you have your own and private barbecue grill. So you can come here with your family and friends.
And then I've got another balcony behind
Yes,
here that
that's
I can
correct.
go out.
Because in Paraguay it's very hot all the time, so we have air conditioner, and then you can just open if you want.
This is not as common in South America where it's actually central air.
Yeah, I know. This is like very exclusive, and you cannot find this in all the apartments here in Paraguay, but in this one,
Even a lot of apartments in, let's say, Colombia, for $1 million, you still have the air conditioning unit on the wall
Yeah.
rather than built in.
yeah.
That's great. What is this big stainless steel unit?
It's to make like salsa or everything you want is like, oh, this one. Oh, this is the barbecue grill.
The real big one.
Yeah.
And so how much meat can you cook in here?
I think like about 20 kilos.
20 kilos
Yeah,
of meat.
a
This
lot.
is a real meat country.
Uh-huh, it is.
Let's see the rest of the house.
Let's go.
And for $875,000, am I getting it like this?
Yes.
I just bring your toothbrush. This is a sign. You gotta be kidding me. This is one of my favorite new emerging countries.
Really?
Imagine the odds in Paraguay,
Imagine, can you imagine? Yeah.
Uzbekistan.
Something to drink?
I will say, the attention to detail here,
Yes, I know.
I mean, it's pretty crazy for
Yeah.
anywhere. One of the biggest challenges in a country like this is finding anything that's done at all,
Yeah.
let alone done to your standard to where you don't want to rip it all out.
Exactly. We have so many buildings on construction, so. But it's like, the good thing is brand new, so you can have your apartment and you're gonna be the first one to use it.
What a beautiful powder room. You know what I never like is they put these sinks where they give you like no room to wash your, like you're banging your hands against the wall. This is exactly what you need. Lots of space. You need space for those monos, man. Get those monos in there. So the building is selling. And are these all the units in the building?
Yes.
2 towers.
Yes, there are 2 towers. We already sell like 40%, so
And it's just under $2,000 a meter.
yeah, that's right.
That's really, with everything.
Yeah.
With everything.
I mean, what is included is the air conditioner,
The furniture.
the furniture.
All the furniture comes with it.
Almost all.
I'm coming with this.
We can negotiate.
We can negotiate.
Uh-huh.
You told me that they would maybe be a little flexible on the
Yeah,
price. Is that
yeah,
true?
yeah. So we can
just
just-
tell me how much you think they'll take.
I don't know,
just
maybe we
just
can
between
give
you and
you a 5% of discount.
5% off. 8. So now we're down to like 835-ish. It's not bad. So you've seen from apartments to homes, Paraguay has some of the most affordable property anywhere in the world. It's definitely an up-and-coming place. You could have gotten it in cheaper before, but it's still an incredible value and highly livable compared to other affordable property markets. Plus, you can get a residence permit here with relative ease. If you want our help creating your own bespoke plan that includes Paraguay and all the other countries that may be good for you, go to nomadcapitalist.com/apply. Until next time, on assignment.